I'll just lube it up a little bit, be alright.
Morning, sunshine.
Morning. Almost. 2 weeks to deadline.
So we're getting close to this deadline, and we're gonna take some parts to go powder coating right now. And let's show you what this place looks like. So we just rolled up to the place, man.
We are at West Coast Powder Coating. They do all of our powder coating. Top powder coaters in Southwest Florida. Their oven is big enough to actually stick a semi in.
Like
what's up, brother?
Nothing like a cricket on a Sunday morning.
Hey, what's up, brother?
Man, how you doing, man? You been kicking ass, bro. You kicking ass, man. I just want to let you know that, man. If nobody else tells you that, you're kicking ass, man.
So if you guys didn't know, any of the powder coating work that we have done on our cars, like, you know, any of Dorsey's cars and all the other stuff, is done by, you know, this guy right here.
West Coast, man, come and see us, man. Tell them Drip HQ saying you will take care of you, all right? But not like them. Nobody gets their treatment, all right?
Yeah, we're special.
We're pretty much on a really tight timeline. This car has to be done as soon as possible, you know what I mean? It's for FD.
Got you, man.
I'm gonna weld a plate from here, so if you stop the powder right about there, that way the heat doesn't...
So you want it fully around the whole tube stop?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, because it's gonna, you know, when it heats up, it's gonna bubble up anyway. So we do it from like there, no powder this way. Everything else is good to go. Appreciate you, brother.
All right.
All right, man.
Hey, there's a lot to stir. Take care, all right?
All right, man.
All right.
So basically what we have going on right here is we got part of this already done. We're gonna have to, we chopped off part of the intercooler piece here because it was sticking out too far. So basically what we're doing is we're bringing this back a little bit. We gotta make a super tight 90 to bring it around here and finish off basically the hot side of the intercooler piping. So once we get that done, move on to the charge pipe. Gonna have to trim this down to bring it equal so it sits flush going towards the throttle body, something about like that. So just got a little bit more to go and then she'll be all done. Let's see what the future holds. Work boots?
Boots?
You got work boots or shoes?
What are those?
Boots or shoes?
You mean toe prisons?
Clearly he doesn't know about boots.
Toe prisons. Dude, you're wearing a pair of like Crocs, like ankle high Crocs.
These are submarine booties, thank you.
Oh, I didn't know you were in the Navy.
I am in the Navy.
Do you see a lot of seamen?
Seaman.
Oh, hey.
No, I don't want to be in this. I don't want to be in this video.
Why?
You can just keep going with Chris. I don't want to be part of it. But I want.
Who the hell are you? I haven't
The guy
seen
that
you.
comes by once in a while.
I haven't seen you in a long time.
Gotcha. Well, you caught me on video this time.
God damn.
Well, I'm gonna help Kyle a little bit, see if it's gonna work or not.
See if he's gonna work or not.
Well, no, he's gonna work.
He's
working
gonna
hard
work
already.
He's gonna work. You're gonna watch.
I'll just lube it up a little bit, be alright.
Bruh.
Got the HD weld-on clamp, or part of the weld-on the compressor housing. Starting on beginning of the intercooler piping here. Just trying to make it down past the first angle behind the headlight and then come out to the bottom of the intercooler. Shouldn't take long, and then out to the throttle body. So see how everything goes.
Yeah, I like the proper use of CAD right there.
Yeah, he's a CAD master.
You don't get it? It's cardboard aided design, bro.
It's CAD board.
CAD board.
Yeah.
He is making me a gauge cluster so he can fit this fancy little tablet in here. I teach him how to weld, but he'd be better at it than I am, so he ain't allowed to.
I wanted the actual gauge cluster that goes inside there, but Igor has it. So we're just gonna make a mount because I don't want to wait till 7 o'clock tomorrow to try and make this thing.
Just a little overview of what we got completed today. We did the quick release pins on the back here for the trunk. We got the turn downs on the exhaust done. As you can see, my boy Cricket threw together a little bit of stainless. Put some turn downs on our exhaust.
We recycled his 45s from before.
Nice.
So his other exhaust had a 45 going down, so we cut them off and used them to save some money.
Chris got some of the interior done. Got the dash done, got a plate cut out. Also mounted a Samsung tablet right there. Got some gauges in the middle. So we got those AEM. Best gauges on earth, in my opinion. We'll come to the front here. Got a couple brackets done. Cricket got the bracket done for fuel reg. We also got most of the fabrication done on the hot side. Finish up the hot side tomorrow and then finish up the charge pipe. And then what else we got?
Today or tomorrow? Today we're drinking beer. So we're done for today. Chris also got the other side of the rear suspension done. He wired up all of his gauges. It was all little stuff today. Kyle did all the big stuff. He was the hero today.
It's the big stuff. It's the very big. It's the big stuff. Big.
Yep. So we'll get with you tomorrow. I'm gonna finish this beer.
You're gonna start that beer.
Well deserved. Give it a little pop ski. Oh, that was
fail. That was rookie. So almost made it in yours. Almost doesn't count. So if you like Kyle's weak attempt at popping tops, like, subscribe, share, and comment.
I pop holes better than I pop bottle caps.
Finger popping each other.
Oh my God.